Welcome back to Making Shift World. Today we're going to make the first dimension to actually work. And I have imported everything. I'm just gonna make a folder real quick. So, real quick thing here is what this folder is for. The purpose of this folder is because we want to put everything that is going to be affected by your good old dimensions. So the boulder, I'm just going to scale this down. Oh, was er not gonna scale? So scale down it is. What is this doing? Yeah, I'm probably gonna have that off for the next episode. But I have good old dragger on. As well. Just make some stuff easier. Okay, so that is our boulder. I'm just gonna have multiple of them here. So as you can see, we got multiple, which I have keybinds for stuff. And all of these are going to have an attribute. And we're going to make this a boolean. We're gonna call this gravity. Then I'm gonna turn that on. Then since in servers we have a script that takes action or makes a value for the player, we need to use our employees. We need to use good old input service, user input service. Without unplugging anything, we're going to have to get the. First, we have to get the service. So let's do user input service equals game get service user input service. Good old user input service. Then we're going to get the folder. So local them folder. Maybe let's do them folder like this. We're going to go to BitPlay, the workshop. And then we're going to get the folder. And then we're also going to get the current dim, or that stands for current dimension. So we're going to go to game.players.local player. Then we're going to wait for our created instances. Just gonna copy this. And then we're going to go into here, and then we're just going to get current dimension. Dot current current dimension. So now that we have all of the variables defined, we need to start this. User input servers.input began. Then we're going to make this into a function. In here, we're going to put some variables input and then game processed. Not needed, but well, for some reason people will still put it here. And now, if input dot eCode equals enum dot eCode dot, let's do E. Then for I v in pairs dim folder get children if we get attribute gravity equals true, then we're going to do v dot position plus v dot position cframe dot new zero 5 and then 0. Forget about this. I'm gonna just take a real quick look at something. I'm just gonna take a real look at something quickly. I've done this wrong. So this is actually supposed to be v equals. I got help from ChatGPT. Then plus vector 3 plus vector 3 dot new 0, 5, 0. And now if true, then it will work, you know. Whoa! Which it does not. Let me real quickly look if we did anything wrong. Oh, maybe it's because we didn't anchor this stuff. I feel like it's because we didn't anchor anything. No. Let me just see what we did wrong. Look, I don't know what went wrong. Just a little research time. I don't understand something. Because this is supposed to work. It is literally the same. This is called gravity dim some reason. Damn, why? This should work now. One simple fix, right? Yeah, woo. Okay, now how about we tween these? First, let's just figure out. Let's do the sizes, right? We need to figure out good sizes to do. Just gonna do this. Hey, damn head. This is a pretty good size for a boulder. Because boulder is small, so even though this boulder is small, it's still technically pretty big. Because, like, just remember, right? This is my avatar. Right? Like, this is big. That's a pretty big boulder. Okay, anyway. Let's get some sizes. Okay. You can't see, which is awesome. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Let's, this is going to be low poly, which means that there's going to be no shadows. But how about we now try to figure out the heights that we want these to go. So let's try 15. If we have a height that we want, I actually think 15 is pretty good. 15 is actually perfect. You know, maybe 12.5. 12.5. You know, 12.5. That's that. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And then we have a pretty good height that we like. Let's tween this. Let's get a new service, and we're going to do tween service. Yeah. Hate this. Get service. Tween service. Tweenie is not fun. Let me just quickly do some stuff. I just noticed that we need to do a for loop. Yeah. Let me go in the documentation to figure out how we can do this. Okay, we need to get the part. You can loop a tween. You can pause a tween. Okay. To tween this, we need to make... Okay, I'm just gonna make this into a comment. This line I'm just gonna make into a comment. So we have something. So we're gonna make a variable inside this if loop, and then we're gonna go local tween equals tween service dot create, right? Tween info dot new time, how fast? Time? About 1 second. Then the next thing is the eating style. Time. Oh my god. It turns the amount of time in seconds. No. No, no. So, easing style. Enum. Do we do enum dot easing style equals oh yeah, we need to get oh, I see. You have your tween, and then your tween, your verbal tween. But we did this wrong because we're supposed to do something like this, and then this, and then create, and then we do V. Comma. Queen info dot new time 1 second. I'm not gonna do this. Easing style. We're also doing this wrong apparently. Oh, you didn't put any time in. You do something like this. Then you do easing style, which is enum dot. Okay, we just gotta do enum. Enum dot easing style dot, I don't know. Another bounce is something. Easing direction. Oh my god, another enum, I'm guessing. Dot easing direction. We got in out. I guess both. And then after those have been set, we finish that. And then we just do the C-frame stuff. Okay. Which I think we can do, right? So that we do this. And then we do some complicated stuff and we figure out this bracket. We find it. We find it. We just found it. And then we're just gonna do this. So C frame equals because I'm guessing this we can do. I think we can do this. Right? Let's figure this out. Let's see what went wrong. Or if anything went wrong. Queen server script probably is a given is oh man. Oh woof. But we put a vector free. Okay, guess you want a C frame. So do we put a C frame in here? I don't know. Yeah, another thing I noticed is we're not playing it. What do you mean we got a vector free? This is just confusing. Because I normally don't do clean services. I don't do them because they're just so annoying. Fixing them is very annoying. Apparently Vita position is a vector free. I think I find something new every time. You know? I think I find something new every time. I think I find something every time. I am removing this line. That line. Does not mean that we need to remove that. All comments are killed. And we're done. I think we're done. Okay. Invalid argument. Vector 3 got... How is this a vector 3 if this is... Vector 3 was wrong before. And now you're saying vector 3 is expected? How can you... Roblox is just so confusing. Oh. I'm gonna do out, which I think means that is like the end, right? This is a very confusing tweet. The cool thing is there's like a surface where it says sits on, which is cool. I'm gonna do something. And local click diff equals 1 and click diff equals 1. Then we're going to set the click diff to 2. And then we're basically just gonna do this entire thing again. Except in here we're going to put an else if here. We're going to remove this if from there. And then we're going to make this 2, and then this 1, and then this minus. And then there's a mistake here somewhere. Actually, there's just an end here missing, I think. Yup. So now, whenever we press it, it goes up. Press again, goes down. Up. That's not good now. Okay. Guess this does not matter. Okay, let me set this to negative, which will take away if that's how math works in Studio. And that's not how math works in Studio, apparently. Which is confusing because it just happens, but it does not work how we want. How it's supposed to work. Confusing, right? In the next episode, we're not gonna do another dimension. ChatGPT is saying the vector 3 can't happen, but apparently vector 3 works in this case. Oh. I just realized why this doesn't work. Because whenever we press, it sets it to a new one. Therefore, it does not work. And that works. It just works like that, right? It's just so cool. Let's take this one and, just decide to disable it. I don't know, what can go wrong? Yeah, that's the fun thing with attributes. And the thing is, when we add even more stuff, it's just this simple. Add even a normal part. Just move it into the folder and just like add an attribute. Like literally. Just to gravity. And do that and you're just done. It's just that simple. You need that script. And then And the reason why there's like some bounces, whenever you like throw something, it doesn't just touch and just fall straight down. It bounces away. Which is the same thing here. So we get this from up and the text is not here because I wanted that goes to the center thing. That's cool. Well, I wanted to, but apparently the text has more triangles than 10,000. So we're not doing it. This is going to be maybe something like this. This one is going to be red. Might look pretty good. The antennas is going to be maybe like something like this. Then this I'm going to do this. And this I'm just going to do that. And then this bio. And then where's my 3D text plugin? There you go, you can see that, which is very good. I hope that's them. Let's do remote. Let's find a font. Okay, it's gonna work. Let's see. Ooh, Orbitron, this might look pretty good. So let's move the scale. It's gonna makes it look like fantasy. Yeah. Very cool. Very cool, very nice. Okay. Move plastic to then right here. Smooth plastic and now we're done. Smooth plastic for the low poly. What's the axis? 25? No. Oh, 0. Actually? Actually? You kidding? Oh, no. It's pretty cool. Now we just scale this down something. Holy. Well, one. We're probably not gonna use the Dragon QLs in the next episode. Yeah, see? It's possible to scale this up. There you go. Holy, that's a weird ass. Oh, we're done with what I wanted to do today. In the next, we're going to start making landscapes using a Blender add-on. And to make the landscape there, we're going to kind of switch them up, or we're not even going to use it, and we're going to make our own landscape, because really mountains are not what you want in this case. And then try to figure out caves where these boulders can go. And they probably try dealing with the atmosphere, because lighting is really what needs to get changed here. But that's everything for today, and see you in the next episode of Shift World Development.